Hi, welcome to 30-minute trade. Here I recommend the stocks on daily and weekly basis, as well as I do the market analysis every day. So I choose the stocks based on the fundamentals and technicals, as well as the current situation in the market, like market psychology, something like that. So I develop so many strategies and pick best out of the those stocks, those strategies, and based on these three components. Um, so every day I recommend some of the stocks. Sometimes market won't cooperate, so I don't recommend anything. So far this month I recommended this these stocks. These are just I recommended on the February month itself. So some of the gains are huge. Um, let's go to the what are the winners here this month. So far it's only 19 days that gone through in this February month. So we got very good returns on the some of the that I recommended in this channel. Let's go. This month, these 45 stocks that I recommended on a daily basis. You can go back and check the videos that I posted in the YouTube, as well as you can check in my website 30-minute trade. So you can review all those stocks, whatever I recommended. Okay, let's go to these, where I recommended, so that you will understand what is my thought process and how I recommended all those scenarios. Okay, here BTAI I recommended at this time. I looked at the weekly chart. Is trying to um, go up, kind of a tight pattern here. So I felt that it might go up in future. So this is the one of the best stock. Even I hold this stock here at this time. So we got 94.24% in just a few days. Check the date. Mm, Okay, here is the date I recommended 210. Now it is the 219. So within 9 days we got 94%. So this is one of the best stock I recommended. BLDP also I recommended around this tight range. So far we got 33.02% in few days. If you look at the weekly chart, really it looks very awesome. It's trying to go to the parabolic move. Um, so it's really a huge volume scheme. So I recommended a couple of times here also. So and the run I already recommended here. If you see the pointer, so from here it's 24.82% in just a few months from February. So all these stocks I recommended in the February month itself. So it's only 219, right? Only 2 to 3 weeks. So within this short span, we got a huge run on some of the stocks. So SBGL, it's a gold stock. I recommended twice here. Now in the last week, I think it jumped like anything. So 24%. MRSN I recommended couple of times here. So three times I recommended. Now it is 23.74%. And the CDLX also recommended here. Still it has potential to go up. We will see in the coming weeks. So far I think it is trying to it needs some kind of a range at this point. Might be Thursday and Friday. I think some kind of it will forms the range. After that again it will go up. Q also is a biotech recommended at this time here. Within 2 days I think we got the 14.4%, 9%. So it's good one. So if you look at the weekly chart, really it's trying to, it's a recent IPO, it's trying to break out from here. Might be in future it can reach to 30 easily. In APTO is also very good. Still it is running. I had some position in this one. If you look at the weekly chart, it's a very good cup with the handle. From here, still it is trying to go up. We can expect some pullback here. Either might be it will touch this 20-day average, 10-day average. Then after that again it will go up. So we will wait few more days. IIPR, here I recommended. This is the real estate sector. Um, just now it is very long range, kind of a consolidation at this time. After that it forms the tight range. So it will, I think it is running good at this time. So in future it will reach to the 140 in just in next few weeks. So keep watch on the stocks. It will go fast. Because this is one of the previous run, it went almost 193%, so we can expect same thing from here. Okay, Tandem is also, I like this stock. I recommended here. So far I think it went to the 13.37. If you look at the week long-term chart, it just now broke out. It might go in future. It will touch 140, 150 easily, because this is the one of the previous run. It went almost few thousand%. So let's see how. So it almost went to the 1500%. So right now it just broke out the long-term range, almost 1 year range. So we can expect more in future. So I'm holding the stock. The If I'm looking at the this is one of my core positions, so I keep adding the stock whenever it consolidate or buying some kind of a pullback. And RVNC also is kind of a biotech. Still, on a couple of days to keep it is very good. But in the long-term chart, if you want to keep it, I think still it's a good stock. I think it will touch the $40 easily in the coming months. GXX, here this one I recommended a couple of times in one of the previous videos. Last month also I recommended. Still it is trying to go up. It's like a going to the parabolic stage, and also it's a recent IPO. This is educational related stock. Okay, KNSL, this one also, it's a property insurance related stock. It's trying to go to the parabolic stage at this time. Still it has potential to go up 150. We'll see how far it goes. So still it is respecting the 10-day average. So until 10-day average, I think we can hold it. RDVT is also very good. Today I had some position in this one. It forms the tight range. Still, it just jumps a few days and goes, to form the tight range. So is it one of the techie stock? Still, in the long term, it will reach the $50. Ever I already recommended a couple of times, but this one is really, um, keep it's a kind of a, sometimes it goes very swing trade. Suddenly it goes down and immediately it fall up. So keep aware of that. But in the long term range, I think it is good. MDB is also very good. it is just like, goes very slowly, but because it's a very big stock, but it has a very good run in previously, so we can expect same thing in future also. This is MongoDB, this kind of software techie related stock. FRTA, building materials, and this is uh, in the daily chart. It looks awesome. Still we have a um, uh, still it is a good potential to go move forward, but we still it's in the range, it's in the buy zone. So if you don't enter, I think you can enter yeah, this one if you expect the for the long term. AXN. So all these talks are really awesome. You can go back to the my website. I think you can see all those things. So whenever these talks, I think I already told you don't need to hold in one of the video, because if anything, any stocks goes below 5%, better you remove the stock from your portfolio. You better sell it so immediately, so no matter what. So we have so many other stocks, so that is really running very well, so you don't need to hold which is failure stocks. So these are the stocks. I think you can go back. Still some of the stocks I recommended recently, or 2 days to 3 days ago, still it is in the buy zone. So in future you can expect more upfront on this one. So okay, these are the stocks I think I recommended last few days. um, this is one of the best month I think so far. Still we have 10 more days. Market is really awesome. It's running very good. um, Even if you see a couple of days, it is on the correction, but after that still it is going very good. If you see the Nasdaq, and SPY is also same way I think. So we will expect some more run in future. Still the run still didn't end. Okay, these are the stocks that I these are the high performing stocks, so that I picked from the best sectors in the and out of that, and I choose the best stocks. So we can expect, we will see how in the coming weeks how the stocks are running, and I will recommend more stocks. And future, if I get any stocks in my watch list, I will recommend to you. Okay, and keep watching, and if you like it, please subscribe the 30-minute trade, and also recommend anyone, so that you benefit and others also benefit. Okay, thank you. Happy trading. Keep watching. Thank you.